Adobe recently dropped a massive bombshell with a brand new update in Adobe Premiere Pro that can potentially start a new era for video editors. And in this video, let's discuss about the most exciting AI integration updates that we will get in Adobe Premiere Pro in near future. So what's up guys, my name is Suman and you are watching Purple Pie Studios, and in this channel I upload animation tutorials mainly in After Effects. So if that interests you, then do check out my other videos on this channel, of course after watching this video. And if you want more videos like this, then like this video and do let me know in the comment section. So starting with the very first feature, Object Addition powered by Generative AI model. Now, when you are editing a video, one of the most time-consuming process is to look for the perfect stock footage that can properly fit in your video. But with the new Add Object feature, all you need to do is select the area with the Area Selection tool and describe the image in the prompt section. And Premiere Pro will generate a footage using Adobe Firefly Generative AI model. And look at this! It just didn't generate a 2D flat image, it has also taken into consideration of the overall perspective of the frame, and it has automatically done the motion tracking as well. And I can already see myself using these features in my own videos whenever I'm getting my hands on it. So moving on to the next feature, which is Object Removal tool. So with the upcoming update, you will not only be able to add objects, but you can also be able to remove object with auto rotoscopy using an AI-based object removal tool. It will let you automatically select image, remove it with just a click of a button. Well, it may not be perfect at the moment, as you can see the horizontal lines on the walls are not perfectly auto-generated, but it is still usable, and you can remove unwanted objects from the footage like signboards, some gears that you might have left in the frame by mistake in the shoot. The next major update is the generative extend. For example, if you need to extend the length of the footage, rather than slowing down the whole footage, you can now be able to use Generative Extend tool to extend the footage by a few frames rather than slowing down the whole footage. Now, if you look at it carefully, you can notice which one is the original footage and which one is AI generated. You can notice a little glitch during the transition. But again, this is a very new technology. With time, like in 2 to 3 years, it would be very hard to distinguish an original footage from an AI generated footage. This feature may sound interesting but also has some ethical concerns as well, like it can be used for fraud cases or spreading misinformation online. And due to this reason, Adobe has mentioned they will add content credentials to all the AI generated footages. So like this, you can properly differentiate an AI generated footage from an original footage. And now it's time for the most exciting and the groundbreaking update. So Adobe has partnered with other companies like OpenAI, Runway ML, and Pika to use their AI models in Adobe Premiere Pro. For example, this clip is extended with the Generative Extend tool using the Pika model. And look at this, the result is quite usable and you can hardly find any difference from the original footage. So it is really great to have the option to use other AI models because depending on the situation and the footage, some AI models may work better than the other. Now here is another example of the OpenAI's Sora model where you will be able to generate B-rolls with just text prompts directly in Adobe Premiere Pro, and you will get multiple variations to choose from. And look at the result, it's quite nice actually. And similarly, you will be able to use Runway ML's AI model to get the similar result. So I think you will be able to generate B-rolls using all these models and use the best one suited for the project you are working on. Alright, so to conclude this video, I must say the features like object addition, object removal, and generative extend are going to revolutionize the film and the motion design industry in the coming years. And I'm really excited to use those features whenever I'm getting my hands on it. But as an animator myself, I would really love to have those features in After Effects as well. So I'm wondering what Adobe is planning to do for After Effects. So I'm hoping we are going to get a major update in After Effects at least by the end of this year. Let's see. Again, it is a bit concerning as an artist, but this is the future. So as an artist, we have to adopt new technologies and learn how to use it. So that's the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.